Yeah, man. What's up on Twitch, man? Tikari, what are you doing? Caleb Boyd, my brother, what are you doing? Welcome back, man. Okay, guys, what we're doing here is we're going to kill Radagon and Elden Beast today. I've got Radagon to where he's not, I don't have him as easy as phase 1 of Malekith. But I got Radagon to where we can kill Radagon and get into Elden Beast. And I am going to be switching, folks. Check this out. We have a new plan, guys. You gotta make plans. We need the double swords. We need the double swords for Elden Beast. So we can do this. That's what Elden Beast dies to. He dies to freaking whacking his butt, guys. Okay, now we have got our magic scorpion charm on, which gives us more damage for magic for phase 1 and our weapons in phase 2, but we take more damage. That's bad. Then I found this thing no one talks about. How come you guys don't talk about this? You guys are the freaking players. You guys are the freaking masters, man. Inventorio. What is this? What am I looking at? Holy Proof Dried Liver. Temporarily boosts holy damage negation. I googled it. It said 35% for 2 minutes. What? That's phase 1, and then eat another one in phase 2. What? Why is this not something I see every time? You will slaughter that beast, Cat McKay. We got this, man. Jackery Taylor. Hey, I was on Twitch, but I have to show both for some love. Jackery, that was you. I thought that I saw Tika-Ree, and I saw the 2 E's, and I thought it was Jackery. Yeah, dude. Did you know that? I kind of read between the lines. Now, we only have a couple of these things, and we're not going to need them, I don't think. I'm hoping we can kill this freaking beast, but guys, you know, every boss is like, we're at, I estimated the attempts yesterday. Well, yesterday, guys, remember, we played for about an hour or so. Radagon got much better, started getting some phase 2s, right? I never made it past, like, I think my best attempt was 80% phase 2. So what we're going to do is we're going to go get the cookbook for this. I'm going to show you guys where it is. Temple of, and I don't have this yet, guys. Temple of Igle. Guys, it's where it's one of these little mini boss rooms right here at Volcano Manor. You guys know this place. And this is the run to Rykard, to the portal, guys. Or is this the run where you run to Rykard without the portal if the portal's not open? But I'm going to show you guys. We got to run this way. We got to jump down. I would jump up Leap of Faith, but it's been a minute, so we're going to be a little pansy and look around. There we go. Lands in the fire. Don't like that, folks. You got to watch out for these little snail poopies. Oh, and one thing we're going to do is on this scene, the music's off. I love it. The music's off. I kind of like the music on for the transition. You know what I mean? I would say you are the player. You played more than me, Caleb. Well, you know what, man? It's a funny thing because there are people that have way less hours in this game than I do that are, of course, way better than me. Of course, some of them have a lot of hours in the other Souls games, and this is my first Souls game. Excuses, right? Okay, is there an Iron Maiden chick here? Come in to get you! Wow, she came around. Oh, man, I should have just ran. Just ran. Now, I read the instructions, guys. It says go down the ladder by the door. I think she can hit me through the window, too, actually. So we want to get down here. And then I read it, guys, but I don't remember exactly. That's not it. No. What we're going for is the cookbook. These things are so annoying. It said near the door. Near the door. I don't have enough light to see the door, guys. And these guys are so freaking nasty. These guys will grab you and just one-shot you. Looking. Do we see a door, guys? Come on, guys. We're trying to play the map right now. It says near the door. Near the door. Maybe that's the door. And there's a pooper right there, too. There's the door. This is it, guys. This is the cookbook. That would have been an instant death, guys. Instant death. We're going to wake a fool up right here. Now, am I going to have to kill these guys? Oh, I can go up I can go back up the ladder, right? And try and get out of combat. Wrong side. Wait, that was like a USB plug, guys. You try it one way, it doesn't work. You try it the other way, it doesn't work. You flip it back and it works. This ladder is hereto and referred to as the USB ladder. Smash the like button, folks. We get Charlie monetized. Oh, Caleb, thank you, man. Nick Savage! Nick, what are you doing, man? Nick, we are live on YouTube and Twitch. I am slowly, looks like I'm moving the gaming community over here. Chess on Facebook, guys. I will be live at 4 p.m. As always. Well, but we, guys, Nick knows. Nick knows, guys. That's Nick Savage, world famous streamer and content creator. Okay, he's a real friend of mine, guys. Real life friend. We talk. Hey, how you doing? How's the family? What's going on? Yeah. Big time over here, folks. So Nick knows, man. Sometimes you got to go with the flow. You got to move. You got to duck. You got to dodge. You got to try what's working. You got to not try what's working. I do not make decisions. Oh, we can get out of here now. Let's go back. Oh, wait. I didn't even read. Let's just go get out of here. That has to be it. That has to be it. It better be it. It better be it. Let's check our item crafting. Item crafting. Holy proof dried liver. I can make 22 of them. I can make 5 of them. What am I short of? Golden sunflowers. Okay, this should be enough, guys. Because we have a few poles. We have, I think, 5 poles with 35% damage negation on the holy. Hey, now it's 08. What's up, my brother? Nick Savage says, yes, sir. Just wanted to check in. Let's get a phone call soon, brother. Absolutely, man. We gotta get some hype, man. I have my chillers gathering 22nd and 23rd of March in Marble Falls, Texas. And you know why Nick can't make it, guys? Because he already had a savage social planned in April in Missouri. And I'm going to that, guys. I'm going to be so freaking busy. I got this chiller thing I'm putting together. By the way, the freaking hotel's supposed to be calling me today with the discount code. No call yet. You know what? That's pretty important, right, guys? So we'll leave the ringer on. And, if we have to go to the trooper chair, so I can get our freaking discount code for our freaking chiller gathering. But the real life gathering, guys, there is a post at Charlie Sardo Gaming on Facebook. Check it out. Come see us. Come meet us. We have 3 events scheduled. It's going to be absolutely amazing. And then in April, I get to go to Missouri and see Nick in the Savages, man. Edgar Casper says still can't get the Facebook gaming up. Edgar, the gaming. This stream is not on Facebook, Edgar. It's not. I've been having problems with Facebook, and I'm going to fight through it for the chess stream because I feel like that's what I need to do. But as of now, these are going to be, the gaming streams are going to be here. Okay? Doesn't mean I won't ever do After Dark. I might need to do some After Darks over on Facebook to kind of tell everybody, because there's some people that will just be like, oh, Charlie doesn't stream After Dark anymore. What happened to the games, right? So I'm gonna do that and get everybody. I'm streaming to YouTube and Twitch, but we're kind of focusing on the YouTube. But hey, man, I'm down with the Twitch, man. It's Nathan from Facebook, man. Nawats08. Thank you. Yeah. To be honest, I have chat for YouTube and Twitch, so I can answer both. Only chess streams on Facebook besides just trying to get monetized on YouTube here. Yeah, to be honest, I'm trying to get monetized everywhere. But right now, guys, Facebook, it makes it possible. So if you're a sub at Facebook, you make it possible. The stars makes it possible. This is an investment in the future that I could have done 3 years ago, and I might already be killing it here. I don't know. All I know is if I go live on Facebook and they don't post my freaking my stream on my page, people can't find me. People don't know I'm live. If they don't get live notifications and they come to the chess stream at 4 o'clock and they look on my page and it's not there, that's been happening lately. They're fixing it. They're aware of it, guys. Got to turn this heater down, guys. Let's check out the coffee cam, see what it's looking like today. Okay, guys. Okay, the heater is off. Now we can get down to some serious gaming. Now, what I have to do is I've been doing this boiled prawn thing out of habit from Malekith. Not smart. Waste of time. Stored. I have 5 and I have 7 stored, so we have 12 of these things. We're going to use one right out of the gate to give it a shot. And then I have it here, and I'm going to save my physic. Yeah, I'm going to save my physic for phase 2. Because that helps magic damage. And these swords... they are supposed to do magic damage. It causes frost buildup that does not work on Elden Beast. But I think this... yeah, magic. Magic. Physical 200, magic 240 plus. There we go. And my physical will give me a boost on that. And this magic scorpion charm will give me a boost on that. These sorceries are only for phase 1. I mean, I almost feel like I could change one of these out for something else to help with Elden Beast. But I'm not gonna. We're gonna do it like this, guys. We're gonna do it like this. Caleb has only oh yeah, Caleb says Facebook always changing things and really screwing things up in people's streams. YouTube has been consistent as long as I've been watching streamers on here for the last 10 years. You know, it's funny you say that. YouTube is usually pretty much the same when you get to it. You know what I'm saying? I'm sure I mean, every big company has to grow, and I'm sure they're doing stuff, and they change stuff, and it screws things up sometimes. I watch a lot of stuff, guys. I watch a lot of stuff. Okay, we're going to burn one of these guys to test it. Oh, wait. Let us get our golden vow ready. We're going to use this. This is supposed to be 35% holy damage negation, guys. What? I don't see anything on Facebook showing you were streaming. I'm not streaming on Facebook right now. I'm streaming on YouTube and Twitch. Yeah. Try pickle turn like for stamina plus phase 2. It helps. That's a move, but we're going with the holy damage negation. Oh, I can't do a full move. Oh, I can. This is how we start this fight. Going in, guys. Going in. This could be the kill. Probably won't be. But here's the point. If I can get my physic and my dried liver off for phase 2, switch to my double swords. Guys, it's going to be big damn. And I'm going to take less damn. This, and it doesn't take much, guys. We had a bunch of phase 2 Elden Beast attempts yesterday. Like maybe 5 out of the 17 or 4 out of the 17. And I never got them lower than like 75%, 80%. It was like a wall. You ever get that on a boss where you hit a wall? And I just know something's wrong when I keep getting the same amount of damage every time before I die. I know I need to change something. So here we go, guys. I'm going to quit this, and we are going to cast a moon on this fool. Dude, that was... okay, see less damage, though? Okay. That was an extra attack. Man, that... still less damage, guys. Still less damn. I'm feeling the less damn. How do I get hit by that? Well, I just got here. I almost fell off the world, guys. I almost fell off the world! Come on, we got to do some damn. Big damn, big damn. Don't do a follow-up. That was weird. The follow-up was weird. Easy. Easy. That was a little early. Easy. I don't know where to roll. Okay. Panic, panic, panic. Drink. Okay, that's okay. Look how low. And we saw the increased holy damage negation, guys. Now, did you guys see it or not? Could be Charlie, where YouTube is mostly video related and Facebook is more social media when it changes their media effects more like YouTube. Yeah, very possibly, Caleb. Very possibly. Like I said, they're all billion-dollar companies, man. They're billion-dollar companies, and they are catering and feeding and trying to improve to many, many millions of people. Facebook services over 1 billion people a month. It's a lot of people. We're one guy. We're a streamer. You know what I'm saying? So stuff happens, but we're good. We're good. Facebook is killing it. I love my Facebook stream, and we're gonna focus on chess there. That's what brought us to the party. Facebook is chess is what brought us to the party, folks. And so we're gonna continue the chess on Facebook. Maybe I'll do an After Dark on Facebook tonight. Tonight's Monday, right? Something. Maybe I'll do an After Dark for a little while to just start telling the After Dark community that you're gonna want to catch it, man. It's gonna be here. Now you say this is morning. I know it's morning, but whoa, 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 whoa. But the gaming community came from the After Dark. Now, I can't keep burning these guys. I can't keep burning these without getting to phase 2. You know what I'm saying? We're going to need a phase 2. Going in, guys. Oh! I had to do an attempt count there, guys. I got to remember to do the attempt counts. Okay, let's just get down, get funky, get live. Dude, how? That was a mistake. I swear, she is on to me, guys. I swear she's on to me. That was a panic roll. I'm supposed to die. Okay. I have 10 more of the dry liver things, and I'm not going to burn one this time. She's on to me, guys. Dude, she's adding an attack. I swear to God. Good luck. Let's get it. Hey, Robert Stock, how you doing, man? Thank you for the kind words. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess, we play Elden Ring. We're going to do all the downloadable content. We are completely and utterly hyped about it. And it's going to be absolutely amazing, man. And, you know, could be as soon as what? A month? Something like a month, guys? Is that real? Oh, I'm not going to... Guys, I'm not doing it. I'm not... You know what I'll do? I'm going to burn my physic now. Because this is me getting back comfortable with Radagon. Guys, we just got here. Next attempt. Bam. And enter. Oh, let's get our Renalis formula. Yeah. Been watching for almost 2 years now, but on Facebook. Right, Robert. Cool, man. Well, thank you, dude. Thank you for coming. Did you get a live alert? I posted in the broadcast channel, guys. We have a live alert broadcast channel on Facebook, and you will get a live alert every time I go live. It doesn't matter where. If it's not on Facebook, or if it is, I'll tell you. Yeah, I go live a couple times, 2-3 times a day, but you'll get it every time on Facebook. And so if you want that, go to Charlie Sardo Gaming. I could put a link. Thought it, maybe I put one in the description. I'm not sure. I should have that ready, but I don't. Okay, guys, let's get in. Let's get to work. Usually I get 2 off here. One here is good. And here's where she started doing another attack really quick. Usually I get those 2 off. Almost too close to that, guys. I'm a little late on those. Since they don't hit that hard, sometimes I feel like I... Wow. How did that hit me? And the panic roll. This might be good. Nope. I ran into her. I got to go beside her there. good. So we didn't waste the freaking liver. And guys, if you guys remember, toward the end of the stream last night, it just took a couple warm-up shots. Next attempt. My God, these are embarrassing, guys. 20 freaking attempts, man. 20 attempts. Yeah, you know what? Maybe don't look at her. I think I was looking at her. I need to be aiming a little bit different. Because when she comes down, she landed right in front of me, and I didn't get my roll past her. Because that's how I've learned to avoid that attack. When she comes up with the light, folks. Come on, let's do this. Let's get the golden vow up. We're just going to drink this now. We're in a golden vow. We're in Alice full moon. For some cheap, early damn. Very cool, man. Caleb found me when the game first came out in Elden Ring. Love it, love it, love it. Yeah, what a great time that was. You know, it's still a great time. I've had so much fun with these playthroughs. Getting ready for that. That was early. Yep. Okay, reset. That was early, I knew it. I got time to drink, and we're wasting all our pots, guys. I see that? I went a little more to the left. Drinking. How do you get hit by that? That was a gamble on the... Dude, this is so bad. It's okay. This is all timing stuff, guys. It's timing from not playing, and we're going to get it. Run a little bit. Okay, we're getting some timing down here. Oh, no, I got grabbed. Dude, that's the first time I got grabbed in how long? Forever. We're not dead. We're going to drink on the big one. And I had to go for the sixth one. And we're getting hit. Why can't I eat the liver? I got the liver off, guys. Okay, this is our first phase 2 of the day. Oh my God, I did 3? You got to get away from the fire, guys. One more. Little damn, guys, little damn there. Get some stamina. This I don't know how to beat, guys. That, it's like they make poopies, and there's just nothing I can do. Drinking. Where is he? I don't think I need mana. Okay. You got stamp. Just run away. Where is he? He's on me, guys. That was good. I wanted to whack him so bad. Gotta watch him. Okay, that wasn't a very long stars. How'd that hit me? Get a whack. Look at this, guys. Best attempt so far, guys. Best attempt so far. Are we going to get a second attempt again, guys? Oh, we're out of health pots. We're out of health pots. And are we out of mana pots? We're out of health pots and mana pots, guys. There are no pots in Charlie Sardo Gaming's inventory. And I don't want to get stuck near a fog wall, guys. These are fine. I just have to watch him. Because he will shoot at me. That was early. Nice! Nice! Guys, this could be it. It's feeling good. I'm running out of stamina a little bit. Run. I'm always underneath him. Did I not get hit there? 50%? There's no way! I got grabbed. Oh no! I remember the grab too. I'm supposed. Do I die? I died. I died. Okay, guys, 50%. World freaking record. No flask on the beast. That means we're dialing in Radagon. It means we're dialing in Radagon. And we need to save our flask from Radagon for the beast. We would have more damage. Inventorio, no pot. Charlie rocking the dodges. That was a bad phase 1, guys. Wheeling and healing. Do you play any last night after stream, Charlie, or did some researching? What I did is I did a couple of attempts. And I did a lot of thinking. And I came in and equipped these. And so I switched one of my pieces of armor to make it lighter with more holy damage negation. And then this morning I was like, look, let's look at the inventorio. Like you've got, I saw this temporarily boost lightning damage negation. I'm like, I wonder if there's one for holy. And there is right here. And I'm like, okay. So I Googled where the cookbook was. And then came in. But like I said, we saw Elden Beast last night. So I didn't like, I didn't work on this and get so good that I can just kill it easy right now. What's doing this is the double swords. And it's freaking hot in here. The double swords. It's a double swords. Because I was thinking I'm hitting a freaking wall. I'm hitting an 80% wall on Elden Beast. Why? Damage. That's what I thought. So I remembered my basics. Elden Beast to me, the same way I say Fire Giant, guys, get on your horse for Fire Giant. Do it. I don't care. Do it. I don't do that. Even when I'm casting between his legs, I fight the Fire Giant between his legs. Elden Beast needs to get whacked hard. I did it with the bow. I've done it with the rock sling. Elden Beast needs to get whacked, and you just got to keep running. You got to do a long fight. We had Elden Stars and the little pizza, not pizza slices, but those little yellow things that come at you real fast. And sometimes they overlap more than that. But I was watching it, and we did no hit on that. That was kind of nice. Truth. Why different name on YouTube? Dual wielding. Oh man, I bet Truth. Hey Truth, what's up, man? What's up, Jay? I mean, Jay can answer that himself. Okay, so now, do you guys want to just like, I don't want to. I almost want to go, well, going in unbuffed is dumb, right? I almost want to go in just for a little more. Yeah, we'll Golden Vow only. And I'm not going to dry liver. No, I have 10 more attempts. Ooh, I got to hit the button, folks. I think I have 10 more dry livers. I mean, not dry livers, but the holy, to me, they're all dry liver. You know what I'm talking about. The buff. The buff. We're going to burn it, guys. If we need to freaking farm mats, we'll farm mats. That would be fun anyway. Get me out of this freaking fog wall. Here we go. 2 minutes. Going in. Oh, I didn't two-hand my weapon. I'm supposed to be two-handing my weapon, guys. It does more damn. See if I can do that quick. And I blew the pole and a dried liver, but it's not over. Yep, it's okay. Just recover and kill the Elden Beast. That was important. I have to remember, too, we're shooting with the right hand. We're shooting with the right hand. Come on, damn. I try to freaking roll. I'm telling you, I don't usually have such a problem with that one. Well, that's such a problem. It got me twice. Truth, why different? It is what it is. Yeah, man, my name on chess.com is Rosewood Telly. Okay? So, you know, when you make different names and different things, you know, I use my normal name, Charlie Sardo Gaming, very often now because I'm like, you know, public figure or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Self-promotion, all that stuff, right? But my name on chess.com is Rosewood Telly. My name in gaming is Bling. Even though I have different names, my name is Bling. I know what it is, guys. It's the freaking glasses, man. Now I have an excuse, guys. Okay, guys. Wait. I'm going to wipe your mouth, too, guys. I know you guys are eating pudding right now. You guys got food on your face, and you don't even know it. So I'm gonna get these glasses so I can see the game. That was my excuse. And then I'll get you guys right quick. Hold on. There we go. There we go, folks. You absolutely love to see it. All dust, grease, grime removed from the cam. Charlie Sardo Gaming looks 4% better. Not 35% damage negation. Item crafting, guys. Let's talk about this. Item crafting. This golden sunflower found near minor Erd trees. Well, those should be pretty easy to farm. Beast liver. Found by hunting herbivorous beasts. What? Because I have 40 golden roa, which I should have 4 million, right? But if we do need to go farm some more, I'm just going to use my buffs every time. And because we have like, oh, here's another poll, by the way. Hit the button. And then it, you know, it might be after another 10 or 12 polls, if I haven't got this done yet, might be time for a little break. We'll go on a mission. We'll get some golden sunflowers. We'll make some more buffs, and then we'll come back and kill this freaking thing, man. Dude, this is my 19th playthrough, guys. My 19th playthrough. It's only my second no summons playthrough. This is the important one to use. We're going to save the physic for the beast. And guys, we haven't even rune arced yet. I want to get better at, okay, now 1 and then 11. I want to get better at Radagon before I start burning rune arcs, guys. To be honest, I'd rather have 26 rune arcs going into my next NG plus 9 on this character if I ever do one. I hate burning rune arcs, man. I hate burning rune arcs, guys. I don't PvP. I don't have a lot of rune arcs laying around. That was way early. I never roll this way. No! She did the follow-up! Okay, no follow-up here. I get a couple shots. Couple shots. Drink. Good, I didn't get a follow-up there. I don't know how I did that. To be honest, it was a little panicky. Take the time to... Oh, no! I was too close! Oh, my God. Get up. Okay. That was dumb. I ran toward the attack. Oh, I didn't think that was going to hit me. Time to drink. Too close again! That was a jump. That was early, but we got it. Two. Did it! Did it, guys! Did it. We don't need mana. I used a lot of health pots. Let's get it. This was good. This was good. Unsmare to keep it clear. Oh. Yeah, man. Dang, Charlie. Unswear to keep it clear. Why that different from okay. Let's get it. Guys, can you see I'm avoiding Elden Beast? I don't know how many health pots I have, guys, but it's not a ton. But what did I use? Maybe 3 or 4? Do I have 8 health pots, guys? Do I have 8 health pots? I don't think I have to drink. I don't have to drink immediately. Immediately, we get 2 double wax off. Fully buffed! No, I'm not golden bout. I'm not golden bout. I didn't golden bout, guys, and I'm not going to. If I have time in the game, I will. There could be time behind him to golden bout, but that golden bout's like, what, a minute? Golden bout's going to wear off so fast. 2 minutes on that dried liver, or, you know what I mean, the holy damage negation. 2 minutes is huge. Okay, let's get it. Get him. Get him. That was a little early, I feel like. And I freaking almost died up there. We had 9, and they're all gone. Okay. I'm coming in for some damage. Damn. 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 Well, okay. Just that attempt was better than any attempt we did yesterday. Pretty bad. He was doing the thrash, guys. Is that NG Plus thing? Did you see that? That was freaking nasty, man. That was a little bit annoying. That's okay, though. That's okay, though. You know what? We get a better Radagon. I had 9 health pots, guys. Every time we try and do a little bit better. This is the goal. Going down. Go here. Go here. In here. In here. Maybe I should have done all that already. Yeah, I could have done some of that, right? All right, guys. Easy Radagon. We're doing a little less damn in Radagon, but no, I'm telling you, we hit the freaking bot wall, Jay. We hit the bot wall on Elden Beast last night. I have to save my flask for Elden Beast. And now I'm doing one. Oh no! Remember the 3? Give me that same easy stuff again. No follow-up. Oh my god, I wanted to drink right there. Wow. That's okay, the health pot saved me, but it was bad. Dude, that was like looking really good. How did I take the first? Oh yeah, I was being a little aggressive there. I'm like, how did I take the first damn? I was being a little aggressive there, guys. Okay, maybe I'm going to hedge my bet on the 3 swipes, on the 3 staff attacks, and I'm going to do 3 sometimes, 2 sometimes. That way I won't get caught with my pants down near as much. That one. Golden bow. 2. Nope. There, and then this. And get your butt in there and get back to work, folks. Get back to work! I work my best when I get right back in. When I get right back in, or when I get away. That might have been the pull, guys. The second pull. God, I almost had him, guys. 50%. Ugh, laser beams. That was good until those doggone laser beams. Yeah. But again, it's on me. It's on me. That was good. Yeah. I gotta stop getting greedy on those because that the lightning. I have to run. Watch. I have to run a little bit. Now I can do something. Good. Oh, she doubled up on those! Those are weird. And then she doubled up on the attack. Oh, and right there too. Wow. I rolled back. I should have rolled sideways, I guess. She's doing a lot of porting too, guys. A lot of porting. Why would I do that? Did you guys see that? That was the dumbest thing ever. That was like... Oh, I thought I was going to be out of range of that. That was a jump. I try to dodge it, guys. I try to. More of this. Just don't get hit by it. Put her to bed! I'm out of mana. I thought I drank mana. Come on, give me this too. Give me this too. I want this so bad. I want this so bad. There we go. Okay, now I think it's number 1. I think it's number 1. I used more health pots than we wanted to. That was bad because it was supposed to be both. Okay, we botched the beginning, but we're not dead. That's a little early. How do I beat that one, guys? What is that? Do I drink? I think I drink. He's over here. 6 health pots. Okay, get some stand back. This is okay because we're going to run toward it. And that hits me every time. I don't know how to beat that. Makes him a little tired, though. And that hits me a lot. Okay. That was early. And I get freaking felled on. The double. No stamp. Go! Camera. Camera, please. Cam, please. Okay, guys. Best attempt so far. Best attempt so far. Five health pots. Fire. Just run away. Do I have mana? I don't think I need it for anything, but I'm going to drink while I'm here. I could have golden bowed right there, actually. And I got to watch him. And we wasted a pot. Because I was thinking about golden bowed. I have no idea how to beat that. All I know is I got to punish something, guys. No! I'm going to say that was about the same. I'm not even going to say that was better. Probably, I mean, guys, what? 3% better? 3% better than the second attempt? So now we're hitting our freaking bot wall at at 50%, guys, which is better. It's better. If I can go in with the... Is there any more damage negation we can do, guys? I have to learn how to avoid the grab. I gotta not roll in, through it. I think I gotta roll... Yeah, I think I gotta roll into it, guys. I think I gotta roll into it. I'm telling you, I saw someone do it. I saw someone go to the... They see the ball, and they run into his right side, and then they probably roll through it. Phase 2, everything gets heavy. Yeah, man. Both times, though, since we started doing this strat with the extra damage negation, on transition, I got my flask, and I got my liver off. You know what I mean? So that's good. We gotta hit the button, folks. We gotta hit the nasty button. 23 freaking attempts, guys. Okay, we got this. We got this, man. Wasn't that cool? Nick Savage came in, guys. That makes me feel good, man. It really does. Nick Savage came in to say hello, man, on the YouTube stream, guys. We are friends across platforms, folks. Now I only have 3 left, guys. Get in there. Get in there, get funky, get down, get funky, get live, guys. This is the goal. The melee scenario is rough, guys. No follow-up. Follow-up. Little one. That was... Yep, I knew I had to roll sideways for that, guys. Right at the last second. And I got hit by that. I still don't know how or why. I didn't know there was going to be a follow-up to that, too. A lot of health pots going out, guys. I got to get away. Yeah. That was just botched. That was just botched. I still have to, I've got this fight so... you see the jump? Like I'm avoiding stuff that I wasn't avoiding before. I'm avoiding stuff I wasn't avoiding before. It's getting better, and we're getting more consistent phase 2s. We got to hit the nasty button, guys. Can we do this? The thing is, I don't want to burn rune arcs. I'm taking too much damn on Radagon. I'd rather get better. You know what I'm saying? I'd rather get better for the big attempt, for the kill. I'd rather get better for the kill. I mean, what if I went to Elden Beast with full pots? What would that prove? If I get grabbed by the grab. You know what I mean? No follow-up, please. Those, sometimes you just eat them. No! Free drink, though. I rolled it aside on that one. I never done that before. That was early, I thought. I got lucky there. I looked away to look at my flasks. I shouldn't have done that. Those little poopies almost hit me. One of those things was out of range, guys. I had to get hit by that, guys. I had to. It was dumb. We're there. We're a little low on health, but we're there. We're there, and we're buffed. And we got all our poopies on. I gave up that one hit, guys. I gave it that one hit to get ready. What's he gonna do? Good, 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 because I can use these to run into him anyway. What? Now, how does that one-shot me? Not YouTube Words. Jeff Conley, what's up, brother? Dude, how does that one-shot me, man? I had 35% damage negation, not to mention I'm burning a trinket here for holy damage. I don't get it. I mean, it's not that hard to dodge, is the key. We're out of dry livers, guys. We have to find a minor Erd Tree Grace, and we got to go get these sunflower things. Does anyone know where to get item crafting, where to get these little things called beast liver, found by hunting herbivorous beasts? Where's the beast liver farm? Does anyone know where that is? Golden sunflowers, minor Erd trees. Great. Let's just look at the map. Look for a tree. Hopefully we kill the freaking minor Erd tree guy around there. If not, if we got to take him out, we'll take him out. I know there's some down here, right? Here's a minor Erd tree. We have, that's madness, and we have nothing. There's nothing there for us, guys. Minor Erd tree right here. We have not gone up here. Closest freaking... The 4 French fries is the closest freaking... Let's run down there and see if we can get some, guys. Not much playing some MW3 zombies. Dude, I had fun with zombies like in 2 games-ish. Oh, let's go ahead and mark the spot. We know we gotta run south, guys. We know we gotta run south. And I just couldn't get into zombies, man. I just couldn't get into it. Even when I'm playing alone. Because zombies to me probably would be fun with people too, but in my brain, zombies would be a solo kind of game. Like if I'm alone, I feel like playing, boot up some mindless zombies, run around, shoot zombies. But it's very, the new zombies is very what's it called? DMZ, DMT, what is that? What is that thing called, guys? Where's this minor Erd tree? Well, if I get out of combat, that'd be great. Can the guy look at his map? Okay. It's way down there. Look how far I probably haven't even been there, guys. What number is that so I know what number to look at? Number 1. Where is the elusive number 2? I hate blue poopies. There's something over here, I think. No, there's not. Did you guys ever have the blue poopies, the little beacons on your map, and you like hate them because they well it looked like it was below here. That's the one we have. We could see the other one in our sight. Where is it? Did you guys see the blue marker? I hate the blue markers, guys. We haven't even been to the Weeping Peninsula. Nope, there it is, guys. I found the offending poopy. Cancel. Removed it. That's good. Okay, now we just got to run to this number 1. Can I go this way? Probably not. Almost died right there in front of everybody. That would have been embarrassing. MW3 didn't sell too well. They always recycling their assets. Right. People getting tired of the same old stuff. I love zombie modes. Yeah, that's awesome, dude. That is awesome, man. I love that you love zombie modes. We are on a mission, folks. Guys, this buff, to me, is a game changer. How the hell is this not part of every... Isn't there a Grace over here somewhere? Guys? No? Huh. Right here? I told you. This is a little bit closer than the 4 French fries, so we're going to grab this Grace. If we see any other Graces, we're going to grab them. We're going to get a Grace right near it. That'd be great, so we can just farm up a couple of buffs. But, dude, this Holy Proof Dried Liver, guys. Holy Proof Dried Liver. I don't know. Everyone always talks about this trinket here. Hallig Drake Talisman number +2. Yeah, that's good. It's a good one. Maybe people are using that for for like a different buff, or like a damage buff or something. Follow and support, as Jeff says. Oh yeah, we're not on Facebook. We'll be there for the chess stream later, Jeff. We'll be live on Facebook Gaming, folks, for our... We stream chess Monday through Thursdays at 4 p.m. If you have any interest in chess, all levels welcome. And if you're a grandmaster, come on by. You won't be the first one. Okay? Okay, we got to be getting close to the Erd tree. And is it up there? And can I get there from here? I think we can. We're looking for some things that are found... Dude, that was Roa fruit, bro. Can you believe it? Oh, that's an Erd tree flower. And what am I looking for exactly? Item crafting. We are looking for golden sunflowers, guys. Have we been here before? Is this an artist shack or something? I'm liking this grace, guys. I'm liking this grace in case we want to do a couple of passes on these freaking flowers, right? Okay, good. That was good that we found it. And there's... Oh, this is the one where you get invaded when you enter it or something? Wait a minute. Where are we? I think it's up top. Oh, I see it. It's up high, guys. We have to do some mountain climbing. Oh, no. We can't get there from here. We got to go around. We're going to double check for the elusive air spring. Because if there's one here and it's hidden, guys, I'll be so sad. Okay, nothing there. For a second thought, the title of the stream said I threw up on Elden Beast. Well, that I almost did last time. Last attempt, but no, what I mean by those things is off stream I'm doing a few attempts and I got to Elden Beast. And I didn't almost kill him, but I got to him feeling pretty good about it because I'm working on Radagon and I wanted to work on Elden Beast through all this crap. We don't have fire, we have frost. I literally want to summon right now to pick my flowers, and I'm not going to. Well, it said... I mean, how close we gotta go? There's one. There's one. Hey! The hard to see, guys. Those are tarnished. Tarnished flowers. I don't need no tarnished flowers. I need some good flowers, guys. Do I have to kill? These are all tarnished. Do I have to kill him to make them golden sunflowers? You know what I'm saying? Item crafting. Golden. I too have ralphed on the Elden Beast. Okay, these are all tarnished, guys. So I gotta get close to him? Is our golden ones close to him? Tarnished. Tarnished. Does anyone see any? Does anyone see any? Shh. We're getting closer to him. And we have to reset. Oh my god. Whatever. Oh, and we're dead. We didn't die. Oh, we died now. Okay. Golden, have you tackled the optional bosses? Sunless Cirrus. On this playthrough, I haven't done much of that. No, on this playthrough, this is a no summons playthrough. It's only my second no summons playthrough. And I've been focusing on finishing the game one time. Oh, dang, you've got double Darkmoon Greatswords. Now that's spicy. Sunless, it is. And I've got them equipped right now, actually, for the Elden Beast fight. Sunless, do you know where the golden sunflowers are? I guess let's just try and kill this guy, right? Wait, what's wrong with buffing up, guys? the frost on him! Oh my god! I almost had to play Elden Ring! I forgot we have a build going here. All you gotta do is buff up, guys, and then use the spells as prescribed. Okay, now, tell me by doing that... I was hoping by killing him, it would turn all my bad feelings into good feelings. You know what I'm saying? Whoa. Thought I saw a pig over there. How did I dream about snakes last night, guys? What does it mean? I guess I should mount up, right, guys? Erd tree flower. So do we go somewhere where there's like maybe a little more sunlight? Why are they tarnished? Okay, we're trying another Erd tree, guys. Guys, we attempted it. If anyone knows where the golden sunflower farm is, just tell me and I'll go. Otherwise, I will continue. Hey, I had 6 runes on me, guys. I will continue to play Elden Ring, which, you know what? Oh my god, not you, not you, not you, not you! Oh my god, I'm gonna hide in a tree, I'm gonna hide in the roots. It's Pokemon with guns, at least that's what people are saying. Everyone is streaming Pal World now. Looks like a knockoff Pokemon game. They should be being the area you're at, but another good flower farm spot is where Jabaran is in the Little Jar Village. The Little Jar Village. Oh, I don't have that Jar Village, and I don't... Oh, that's a great place to go. It's over here somewhere. Down the cliff, right? Right? But, I don't have any graces. Can I even run there from here? How do I... Cliff bottom, purified ruins. I can run up there from here. I found that place like by accident. I don't even know where that place is, man. Yeah, what is that little town called? It's called like Pot Town or something, right? I don't have PC to play it though, so I watch the streamers who play it instead. Yeah, I heard some people mention in that game. They said it looks so much like Pokemon, it's almost a ripoff. Is that true, guys? Is that true, guys? Let me get the exact name of what we're looking for here. Golden Sunflower, one word. Golden Sunflower Farm. And if I find it, oh wait, here's one. Here's a video for 2 minutes. I can use this. Okay, he's northwest of the capital. I think that was Erd Tree Gazing. It wasn't, though. Let's go here. He had a thing over here. But I don't have a grace, man. Let's see. Let's just see, guys. I'm going to find it for us, and we'll always have it. I'm going to see if he's going to that Erd Tree. Because I can get there. No. That's not the answer, guys. Okay, the answer is read something. You can't trust anybody, guys. Never trust. Trust no one. Around Erd Tree Altus. Around minor Erd Tree capital outskirts. Video location Ashen Capital. That looks pretty good. Okay, Ashen Capital. He's running up. He got one there. He went to the left. Well, man, if that's one there, I could just rest and do that one over and over again. If that's even the grace. I think we're going to go to Altus. I think we're going to go to Altus, folks. But see, look at my graces in Altus. My graces in Altus suck you know what, guys. Yeah, we'll take the road from Windmill Village. We're going to go check out the other Erd Tree. We're going to get our golden sunflowers, guys. Lately, it's the Switch that's getting all my attention. Cool. I freaking love people who upload tips and help videos on a game. It's like the premium strategy guides from back when. Yeah, man, it's very helpful. I thought about getting a PC, but I rather a PS5, so I got it instead. Dude, everyone's got to pick their journey. You know what I'm saying? You got to pick your journey, man. We're going this way. And we're heading right to an Erd. I was like looking at my map, and then I just opened my eyes and I see the Erd. There's a broken bridge, Grace. The guy. There was a broken. I told you about the broken bridge, guys. There it is, right there. Okay, there's the Erd tree. Now, if we could get, I think these Grace was right there. No, the Grace was there, but we can get across from there. Can we get up from there? Is there a Grace there? That's a drop-down spot. That's not a drop-down spot. Hey, guys. Never know when you're going to be able to use some golden seeds. Okay. We're very close to it, guys. Now we got to look for them, guys. Golden Roa. This isn't where the Grace was, right? No. There's the tree. Around. Bring it around trees. Altus Bloom doesn't help us. This is why I'm telling you, man. I mean, everyone doesn't, you know, do NG pluses and stuff when they do a run through. When the big time. Oh, golden sunflower. Golden sunflower. Okay, guys, we just had to beat Altus. Golden sunflower. There's one too. Now we pissed off somebody. That's bad. Anytime you piss someone off in this game. Okay, there's nothing here. There's nothing here. They're scary, guys. If you make me get off my horse, I will freaking kill you. There's one. Come on. The sun's shining over here. Not close enough. Dude. Freaking Roa fruit is like the thing that's everywhere, and if you loot it every time, you'll be $9.99 in like one plate. Am I right? Or am I right? Yeah, no, I don't need this. We got to circle back around to the nasty. We got some golden flowers, so now we can make this amazing. Hey, Sunless, who has been your favorite NPC? Well, let's start with my least favorite, because that I can insta answer. Selvus or Selvius or whatever his name is. I kind of like to not give him the time of day and even learn his name. I hate Selvius so bad. You guys want to go kill him right now? Oh, he's already dead. You can't kill Selvius. He's already dead. And I know it's Celibus or something. Yeah, like I said, it's like, you know, it puts the lotion on its skin. That's like what the serial killers do. You know, they don't name their victims, so they dehumanize them so they're easier to eliminate. Right. Yeah. I dehumanize Selvius. I hate that freaking fool. We got poopies dropping down. I think we got a lot of them, guys. I'm going to go back up near the boss and look around a little bit more around the tree. But I think we got it picked pretty clean, folks. Oh, there was one. Told you. Let's go all around it. Oh, yeah, just all around the mulberry bush, guys. Guys, you got to sing it with me. Here we go. Around the mulberry bush. Full show tune voice, by the way, guys. Use your show tune voice, guys. Use your indoor show tune voice. What? There's one right there, and, like, I'm being attacked? Dude, how many did we get in that one run, not even knowing what we were doing? Dude, I thought that was a rune bear. Did you see that shadow right there? I thought that was... Whoa, poopers. Okay, now here's loot I probably never got before. I think the golden ones are rare. Altus Bloom, I don't even know what I need it for, but like I said, on an NG plus 9 or something, I might be doing something, and if I would have looted every golden sunflower I ever saw on all 9 playthroughs of this game on this character, or 8 playthroughs, we probably wouldn't have to do this right now. Okay, so we did that. We ran south. We don't have the grace. Let's count. Inventorio, guys. Golden... Or no, we can just go to crafting. Item crafting. What do we get? We got 13. Heck, that's as many as we started the stream with. So we'll do this. You know, I can farm this crap off stream, folks, but I don't need to. Oh my God. It takes 3. It takes 3, baby. Selvius is a douche. He tries to turn Ranny into a puppet along with you. Yeah, dude. I'm telling you, man. If he wasn't dead right now, I would, you know, say, let's just go kill him. You know, maybe I should do, like, just make a theme stream, like, killing Selvius every day until expansion. You know what I mean? And just, you know, going on my NG pluses. Grab new character here and there. Oh my God, we got a crazy woman. We got a crazy woman. And then just kill Selvius and freaking, you know, end the game. Delete the character or whatever and say, like, screw you, Selvius. I freaking hate you. Granted, I could start streaming off my PS5, but I still need good cameras and stuff. You know what, man? You don't need good cameras until you're a good streamer. And that takes time. It takes time to get comfortable, to find your niche, or to find, you know, how to talk to people, everything. You know what I'm saying? So go find a phone that the battery's dead in your drawer. Plug it in and use it for your camera and start streaming, because you know what? That won't keep people away. You could totally get a good shot of yourself with the phone camera. You know what I'm saying? You really could. I used my $79? My $79 $69 knockoff camera. I used that for a long time. Now, I guess last time I ran around once, and it seemed like there were more, but it's just because I missed them. See, there was one I missed. So yeah, don't let the camera thing put you off to stop you from streaming, Jeff. They don't respawn, do they? There's no way. Nothing in this game respawns like that. If you want to start streaming, set it up and start streaming. Because if you wait till you have a good camera, then you'll have a great looking stream that you're not comfortable with, and your viewers won't be comfortable with, because it's the first time you've done it. You know what I mean? Money is no object. Get a good camera. If money's an object, don't let that stop you from streaming. In my humble opinion, I say get down, get funky, get live with the stream. That's just me. But that's just me. And what, guys? Am I super successful? No. I'm over here giving advice. I'm just saying, Jeff. You understand what I'm saying, Jeff? I think Jeff gets it. You don't need a good camera to stream. To be a successful streamer, you don't even need a good camera. You gotta connect. You gotta bring some kind of content. Whether it's exceptional gameplay or some type of personality, right? One or the other, folks. Guys, that's something that's been happening here on these streams. We're going to go one more time, guys. We're going to go one more time because yeah. Because I'm stuttering. Lately, this playthrough has got me playing a lot better. You guys just say, well, really? I just saw your freaking Elden Beast attempts, bro. I'm not great at this game. Although I have finished it 18 times, that doesn't mean that I'm great at this game. I've done some cheese runs, but even though the challenging runs, the bow run, my astrologer run with the rock sling and meteor staff, even those runs, they were difficult, but I used summons. And when you use summons, life is easy. This no summons freaking run is a challenge, guys. I could kill Elden Beast so fast, guys, if I use the summons. Oh my! But I gotta stop thinking about it. I keep thinking about it, like, man, I want to summon so bad right now. It's like, stop. It's not in the cards, guys. It's not in the cards. This is a no summon run, and I gotta stop being weak. When you go down streaming, I'll leave it for the pros like Charlie. But I thought you just said something about streaming. Jeff, I thought you just said something about streaming. About you can't stream till you get a good camera or something. So I didn't know that you were considering it, but if you are, the camera ain't gonna help you. It ain't gonna help you. It ain't gonna slow you down. It ain't gonna help you. It's not. If it looks like crap, but dude, you can make a camera look so good these days, man. You just edit it up, change the brightness. Lights is more important than the camera, I think. Lighting. I bet if you had a major producer and you could say, I'll give you $100 worth of lights and a $20 camera, or $20 worth of lights and a $100 camera, like he might take the cheap camera and take the good lights. I mean, not that those would be good lights. But you know what I'm saying. And I don't have. Do they respawn? There's no way. Is this the only item in the game that respawns? I keep seeing freaking. I feel like I keep seeing. Okay, well, wouldn't that be crazy if this was? Well, there's one. But see, I probably didn't see that one. I think that guy does a grab too, doesn't he? He looks like a grabber. They respawn? He was talking about having a PS5 and he was to game on PC. He would want to get into streaming. Ah, I see. Camera so I could just stream the game I'm playing. Yeah, you could. And you know what? It amazes me. Some people do well with no face cam. I think the biggest streamers in the world all use face cams. Right? Now let's see if this is true or not. They don't respond, guys. It's just hard for me to see them. And then I see them a little bit late and you say, did I pass that one? Right, guys? I think that's what's happening. Oh, there's one. Okay, we're checking a little bit of the outskirts. Now the only thing slowing us down is going to be beast liver, but we have enough to make. I'm going to check outskirts a little bit more. See if there's some there. There's one. Good. Guys, you need 3 of these freaking things to make one. The boss was just here a minute ago. Does he despawn? No, he followed me to the other side of the world, folks. Mal'Ganis. To the ends of the earth! Do you guys remember that? It was a cutscene in Wrath of the Lich King from that freaking instance where like you're up on platforms and you gotta like you transport from platform to platform, and then at the end you gotta get on the nice little dead end for me. And then at the end, you get on the dragons, and like the green one is the healer, and the red one is the whatever damage. He's like the tank. You guys remember that instance? Isn't that the one where the guy screams? Just talking to Mal'Ganis. Probably did the ends of the earth. To the ends of the earth. I think that's the little cutscene on one of the. Let's get back to our home. This is our home right here, guys. This is where we belong. We went on a little side trip, guys. I found this. Sunless Cirrus, I have a question for you. Because you seem to be pretty aware of this game. Holy proof dried liver. How come I don't see everything I've ever seen and everybody in chat telling me to use this for Elden Beast? I know one streamer here on YouTube. I've been subbed for the past 4 to 5 years. She has over 2 million subs, doesn't use camera and no voice. All the videos say no commentary. That is amazing. Yeah, some people, like I said, some people do. Some people are very successful that way. You know, Distortion pretty much never uses a cam. He's not that big, I don't think. But Distortion is big. Distortion is the guy that like he's the guy that perfected the boat skip, the boat warp on Only Up. And he did the Only Up he did the Only Up world record, and he beat it by so much, and then he just quit. And then he's like, his whole life, his girlfriend or wife or whoever she is like, man, when are you going to be done with this game? And he's like, I just got to break this other world record. And Distortion's good. He's a speedrunner. He's really good. I think he do Elden Ring too, right? because it mitigates holy damage, and Elden Beast is mainly holy damage. Right? Something about Caelid seems warm, rotted, sure, but it seems like I was once a noble and grand area until my name used her Scarlet Aeonia. Yeah. Yeah, so like I say, Caleb, if like I saw freaking little Aggie last night, I saw him do a no-hit invisible Tish. I call it a Tish. It's one of those things, one of those girls that jumps around and fights exactly like a Black Knife Tish and looks like a Black Knife Tish. Imagine fighting an invisible one without getting hit once. I can't fight a regular one without getting hit once. And he did it on stream yesterday. Now, there are footsteps and there are some cues. So he's fighting this thing in a small arena. I say small arena. I think it was in Margit's arena or something. And the music is so loud he can't hear the footsteps. He has no cues. There's not a, it's not like you hear every footstep boom, 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 and you can whack where you hear it. Maybe a little bit. But you can't see him. You see him, you hit him, he shows for a second, he disappears again. He's gone. And so freaking Aggie, this guy Little Aggie's such a great streamer, man. He's such a great Elden Ring guy. While he's fighting like basically a Black Knife Tish in an arena, he turned his volume down in this game. You want to talk about being comfortable, guys. You want to talk about being comfortable. Every time Charlie says Caelid, kind of like Caleb. Yeah. Am I saying that right? Caelid. I think Caelid is right? Okay, guys, let me show you what we did here. Item crafting. These. I can make 6 more. Okay. And now, okay. Golden Roa is near the Erd tree. Near the Erd tree. Where is the Erd tree? I thought this is the Erd tree. Explain that. I'm going to have to Google that, guys. I'm going to have to Google that. We have our buffs. We're going back into Radagon. We just had a break. I'm going to burn a rune arc for you guys right now. I'm going to freaking burn a rune arc, guys. On the 5th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 5 Elden Rings. 4 Caleb Boyd's, 3 Jeff Connolly's, 2 golden sunflowers. That is the Erd tree. Right. So when it says you find them near the Erd tree, then they'll be here. See some brush right here, maybe. I mean, how close to the freak... am I in... How do you get to the Erd tree? You can't... The Erd tree you can never get to. Is that the... What? I can't even... Is that the Erd tree? Is that the... No, we burnt the capital. We didn't burn... Did we burn the Erd tree? That bad woman offered me to commit a... That's the Erd tree. Oh, maybe you got to do it before they're burned? If they are, that's... I can't get beside the Erd tree. Ooh, you know, there was a guy... There was a guy that found something out here. I'm just going to have to find the farm. Hey, guys, if it was... Oh, and you can't buff up here. That's cool. That's freaking great. Saw a guy run this way. If you... I'm probably just going to have to look for a farm. Although, I can probably just start burning rune arcs and get this done. But I hate burning rune arcs when I don't have Radagon more under control. If I was killing Radagon every time and almost doing no-hit Radagons like I did with the Malekith Phase 1 for this, man. We're just running around like a freaking fool, guys. The Erd tree's way over there. I can't get to it. I don't see any freaking loot. There's no poopies here to be had. They're tricking us. This is all I've never... Yeah, this is all just... Your personality reminds me of a mixture of Maximilian Dude and avoiding the puddle for some reason. Dude, I love that. Avoiding the puddle. I've never heard of either of these people. I'm sure they're very, very famous and they've never heard of me. And when I say I've never heard of them, I'm not saying like, hey, never heard of them. I ain't trying to be like that. But what I am trying to be like is, oh, look at this, man. Show me some freaking... Look how close we are to the freaking... to the Erd tree, bro. There should be, like, there's dirt right there. There should be stuff growing. Can you go in here? We don't have this grace? Not since everything burned. Guys, we're going to do more Elden Beast attempts right now, guys. Oh, aren't there some bosses? See what I'm saying now? One may expect a poopy. Where's the... It's right there. This is as near to the Erd tree as I can get. Where's my freaking... 4 pumpkin heads, 3 white masks. Dude, no way 3 white masks. We're going to have to change that. I'll take 4 pumpkin heads. I do not want to do 3 white masks. 2 fellow tarnish, a millennia in a Hallig tree. Okay, wait. I really, to be honest... I've never really run around Ashen Capitalist much, guys. This is the way we just came in. No. Yeah. Not feeling it. Not feeling it. Let's just get back to work, folks. Okay. I'll worry about farming these later. We're going to burn them, guys. We're going to burn them like candy. I'm going to do a warm-up and kill the Elden Beast on the warm-up. And if I don't, we are going to rune arc. Okay, but we're gonna give this fool everything we have. Now let me see something. When I'm here and here, if I want to switch to my, just hit 1 and hit it again. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, I can keep going down in my pocket because I'm not using my sword right now. This might help, guys, in the transition. I want the dam. I want the dam. I want the dam. I'm saving my flask. Saving my flasks. I'm saving all my flasks. Saving all my flasks. I'm saving all my flasks for you. Saving all my flasks for you, folks. I'm saving my flask for the freaking Elden Beast. We're going to dry liver. We're going to golden vow. We're going to do everything. I'm going to do 3. There's not enough time, guys. But maybe I'll hit him a couple times in the front. And then instead of poking him in the rear, I'll run to the rear, maybe golden vow. I don't know. That's dumb. I knew it. Dude, that 4th one wasn't supposed to go off, but it did, so stop whining. Okay, well, 50%. And I was just taking way too much damage. Mm-hmm. See what I'm saying? Well, no, that was my first shot back, guys. That was my first shot back. It takes me a second to get somewhat settled, guys, right? We got to get settled. We're gonna burn. I'm gonna burn a rune art for you guys right now, just for fun. We're gonna give everything we have. Inventorio. Use. Oh my god, that is some healthy freaking health bar, folks. Okay. I still think saving a flask is the move, guys. I use the flask. I use the flask. I'm just doing something different. Okay. We're going to get big dam. We're not going to die. Do other talisman that mitigates holy damage. That's a huge up against. Yes. Yes, I have it on. I have that on, and I have the holy dry liver thing. And my gear has holy, too. Wow! Good, we... Okay. Good, that didn't cause... Wow! Bad timing, wasted a rune arc. That was horrible. It was horrible. There's a rhythm I was in before. Settle down, get in there. You got this. You're right, Jay. See, that's exactly what I'm saying. There was a rhythm I was in before that I'm not in right now. I need to get in that. I need to get into the no-hit mentality. Now, I'm not necessarily a no-hit quality player on this boss. Guys, I hate burning rune arcs, man, but I'm doing it now. Let's do this. Okay. I'm not taking chances. 1, 2 at the most. There's times when I get 4 off, though. It feels good. A little late on that, but we just start moving. Dude, I went for the damn Y. Wow, get up, get up, get up. Try to get the golden bow off, guys. Try to get the golden bow off. Just run. Just run. Not the best pull, but look at this. Look at the dam. The dam. What? Okay. That always hurts me, and I have no idea how to... I should have drank after. That was big damn. First time I dodged the freaking grab, guys. First time I dodged a grab. We're improving, guys. First time I dodged a grab. You guys saw it, right? We can use this to run at him. Full stam. Go. He hit me. Try to top off. Where is he? That was awesome to be out of range of that, guys, because I don't know how to freaking... Damn, no! Oh my god, that was big damn right there, man. That was big damn, guys. I rolled right underneath him. Okay. Still, there were good... Okay, best thing to happen from that pull. I dodged the grab, guys. Aborting the grab is quintessential. The dragon of the light must be felled. The area is so freaking beautiful. I really wish they would allow you to ride torrent against Elden Beast. That could be fun, man. That could be fun. Well, guys, I got a chess stream coming up in about an hour and a half. I haven't had a bite to eat. I might have to go out and grab something. I had a big trip to Vegas a couple weeks ago. Breaking news. I had a big trip a week, I said a couple weeks ago, probably about a week ago, guys. And I ate most of my food before I left. So I just ran out of creamer. I have no eggs. I'm a simple man, but I need eggs, guys. I have no food. So I'm going to go grab some food, get ready for the big chess stream. Thank you guys for being here. Sorry we didn't get the kill, man. We got 250% Elden Beast. Last night, after about an hour and a half, we got maybe more. We had like 380%. Today we got 250%. I need to do better. The belly flop maneuver smash you advance every time. Be safe, stay kind. Till next, yeah, man. Sunless man, drop me a sub if you like, or you guys, if you like what you see, drop me a sub. And thank you for watching on Twitch. Also, give me a follow over there, sub, whatever it's called, folks. I'll learn all the terms. You guys know the idea. I'm gonna get the grub, man. Get me to the grub. It's gonna be my new movie called Get Me to the Grub. All right. Thank you guys. Freaking love you guys. Thanks, Moz, for being here. Thank you, everyone, for coming and supporting the Charlie Sardo YouTube and Twitch. I'll see you guys on Facebook at 4 p.m. Come check out the chess stream. If you're new to Charlie Sardo Gaming, just go to Charlie Sardo Gaming, hit it, like it, follow it. I have 21,500 followers on Facebook. I make my living there, guys. This is expanding. We're expanding. We're expanding. We're expanding. We have to. It's like we have to, and we're doing it. It feels good because you guys were here. Thank you, guys. Can I end it from here? No, I think I end it here. No. Wait, can I raid? Wait. I just want to check. I want to check and see if I can raid. You guys want to see if I can raid? This is a learning experience. It's a very important learning experience. Let's go to YouTube Studio. Right? We're still there. That's my last video. How do I go to my live? Wait. Go live. I already am live. How do I go there? Here's my stream. Now, does YouTube even have raids? Does YouTube even own raids? I don't see raids on YouTube. But end stream. I'm gonna end the YouTube stream and see if it'll give me an option to raid. Your stream will stop immediately. You no longer will be live. Not yet, because we want to check out Twitch, guys. I'm gonna check out Twitch. I know Twitch has raids. Right, guys? I just want to go through the experience, man. I hope, you know what? I hope one of you guys will go check them out. You know, we don't have a ton of people here. You guys are very important to me. So thank you guys for making this a real stream. Give me a chat to talk with. Very important. I think I go to video producer. Yep, broadcasting. Yep, let me go here. Let's see if I can add to highlight. Watch. Video producer. Collections, content. Can't click on it. Video producer. Settings. Stream together. Stream tools. No. Huh. Like, where's my... There should be like a streamer dashboard or something, right? Huh. Because I know I'm live on... Ooh, there we go. This is it. I found it, guys. You gotta look for the little live thing. Now, let me see. 2 viewers. Everyone bail. Raid. Channels and follows. Are you and GM Naroditsky? See, and that's where I'm old school. I'm not gonna raid. I just learned how to raid on Twitch, guys. What I'm not gonna do is raid on Twitch, and I'm gonna tell you guys why. Because to me, it's self-promotion to raid with, not to say you guys aren't worth anything, you're worth a lot, but to raid with from a very small stream to a big stream. Do you know what I'm saying? Yeah, Caleb just got out of the shower, left phone on for the view and the news break, so you must be getting off. Yeah, I'm taking off. Expansion pack stream. Yeah, okay, you know what? I just learned how to raid on Twitch. I'm going to end the stream from YouTube, and it doesn't say, yeah, there's no, edit. Nope. Okay, so YouTube doesn't have raids? Freaking love you guys. Thank you guys, and I will see you guys 4 p.m. chess. End stream there.